Hi there, students. I'm sure you all like parties, but how many different types of party do you know? So I'm sure you all know a birthday party. Yeah, it's a party to celebrate somebody's birthday. Or a tea party, yeah? A party where everybody has tea. Or a dinner party or a lunch party. That would work as well. But how about a garden party? A garden party usually in the afternoon. A garden party at Buckingham Palace, where there are tables and they serve tea in the garden outside in summer. Or you could have a fancy dress party where people dress up, a masquerade party where they wear masks. A toga party, that's rather American, where everybody wears togas. So what about a stag party? Okay, a stag party is the party of a bachelor. The Americans often, I think, they use the phrase a bachelor party. It's the party of a man before he gets married, and he goes out with all of his friends. And the female version of that, in English at least, in British English, is a hen party. The Americans call it a bachelorette party. So you've got a stag party and a hen party. But there are all sorts of different types of party, yeah? You could so let's see, you could have a slumber party. Yeah, a slumber party is usually for kids about 12, 13 years old, very often for girls as well, where all your friends some of your friends come to your house and they stay the night, and you sit up all evening chatting about different things. So, a wedding party. I'm not sure I would call that a party. I think I'd call it a wedding reception. Yeah, that's the party after a wedding, the wedding reception. You could have a cocktail party where everybody has cocktails, or a housewarming party. Yeah, that's where you move into a new house and you have a party there to celebrate the fact that you've got a new house. I think they sometimes have a house cooling party as well, where people actually, when you're actually going to leave a house, you're not going to stay there anymore. Okay, so yeah, there are lots of fun. You could maybe have a house party where several friends come and stay for several days. Yeah, they and you have, like, maybe it lasts all weekend. Yeah, or even a Tupperware party where you invite all your friends to a party and then try and sell them Tupperware. Okay, so I'm sure I've missed out lots of types of party, but if you put those in the comments section, I think it would be quite fun. So, just a final thing, the origin of party. Well, it comes from Anglo-Norman parti, and then from Latin partita, which is, or partitus, which is to divide, the dividing. So, a piece, yeah, a part of something, a party. So, enjoy your party and let me know about any types of party that I've missed. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Party.